Hello Easynote users, would you like to know how to manage a task in a timeline view, also called Ganttchart? Today we're going to talk about the timeline in Easynote. So if you go to the timeline view, you will be asked to add one of the timeline widgets. So simply click yes if you don't have one already. And we are ready to go. Simply click down, drag and drop basically start date and end date of your task, and you will see an indicator exactly how many days this will take. In this case, 10 days. So now we are ready to simply drag and drop when things need to be done. So this is when we need to do maybe things on the first floor and then things on the second floor. So I can just drag and drop like this. I can also click here to change the color, and I can also click here to add a task in each of these categories. I can click here to select also start date and end date. And if I'm not happy with this, or I simply don't need any start date and end date here, I can just click here to remove things. Of course, if I go back here, let's say this is our house project, I have a timeline widget here. So maybe I need to do, this is the time when I need to do the installation. So this is installation, and maybe I needed to have time when I actually need to purchase this. So, and I can move this left and right. So this, we can set dates here as well, when we would like to do purchase and when we like to do installation. But I can go back now to the timeline and you will see the widgets of the Easy View in here. So now we know when we need to do the purchase of the kitchen and when we actually need to do the installation. And same things for room 1, when we need to do the purchase and when we need to do the installation. And of course you can click here to view things in a full screen view. And that's it. Soon we will have a task dependency, and this is super cool to get a nice overview of the things that you need to do. And one more last thing, as you can see when I'm moving things left and forward, there is a marker here that's showing the progress of how far we have passed of each individual task. So if I move this all the way to the left, it will be fully marked because today's date has passed the length of this task, which means the date has passed. So now we have completed the entire timeline. And if I move this like this, it becomes smaller. How cool is this? And if you hover over the mouse, you will get an indicator on how many days each of these tasks will take. Super easy, but very, very nice looking timeline. So make sure to go to easynote.com, check it out and try it out. See you on Easynote. Bye bye.